How to take a selfie with iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the icon with two arrows to switch to the front-facing camera. And then, hold your iPhone in front of you and tap the shutter button or press a volume button to capture the photo. You can also adjust settings like portrait mode or the timer by tapping the arrow icon at the top of the screen to reveal more options. Now, tap on the media at the bottom left to view your selfie. Following these steps, you can easily take a selfie with iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.